I actually started speaking in an entirely serendipitous way, where when I was actually looking for different jobs, because my job history is SRE or cloud engineer, however you prefer to call it. And someone actually suggested that based on my work with what I was doing with the groups in Buffalo, that I would actually enjoy the developer advocacy gig, which is basically advocating for developers within companies, or in my case within Logs.io, which involves speaking and teaching about DevOps at conferences.
I was proud of some things that I've done, and I wanted some feedback on some things that I had done, so I just started listening to people sharing, and then decided I wanted to share myself.
Started speaking publicly a couple of years ago, just through a friend that I happen to work with, a colleague who runs one of the meetups of many throughout Toronto. Gave me the opportunity to speak. I was super nervous, as I was for DevOps Days, but kind of muddled through it. And it was a really good experience, like really good exposure to like some of the nerves, some of what happens if you do demos, present certain slides. So no, it was very good. And then did a few meetups in between then, and then kind of led up to the, should I submit something for a conference? You know, am I ready yet? And then this kind of happened, and this whirlwind has got me to this point.
I feel like my boss pushed me into it a little bit, because he said, Max, you want to get yourself out there, you want to start being known by the community. And so I definitely got a shove from him.
I haven't spoken that much. I've really only spoken once before, and that was, I think, about 6 years ago. So it's not something I have a whole ton of experience doing. But I'm glad I did it.